In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert PDF to Excel. To get started, open the Excel application you want to use for the conversion. If you already have a blank workbook open, that is fine. The key point is that we will use Excel tools on the ribbon. Next, click the Data tab on the top ribbon. This is where Excel groups everything related to importing, connecting, and transforming data. When you click it, take a moment to scan the options in the ribbon so you can follow along easily. Now that you are in the Data tab, you are ready to begin the import process. Click Get Data. In most versions of Excel, this button is clearly labeled, and it opens a menu with several ways to bring information into Excel. From that menu, choose From File. Immediately after that, click From PDF. This path matters because Excel needs to know the source type, and From PDF is specifically designed to handle PDF content. After you click From PDF, Excel will prompt you to select a file. Select your PDF file from your computer and then click Import. At this stage, Excel is reading the document and preparing the data for conversion. Depending on the size and complexity of the PDF, this can take a few seconds. You can watch for a loading screen or a preview window that appears after Excel finishes processing the file. Once the preview loads, you will typically see a navigator window. This window shows the tables and relevant elements Excel detected inside the PDF. Look carefully in the navigator list and select the specific table name that you want to convert. Choosing the correct table is important because a PDF can contain multiple sections, repeated text, or separate tables. By selecting the table you actually need, you avoid bringing in extra information that does not belong in your spreadsheet. After you select the table, you will move into the next phase, which is cleaning and shaping the data. Click Transform Data to clean up the layout if needed. This opens Power Query, where Excel gives you tools to adjust the structure before it loads into Excel. In many cases, the initial import already looks good. However, it is common for PDF formatting to be a little messy, so transforming helps you fix alignment issues, remove unwanted rows, or ensure the columns are separated correctly. While you are in the Transform Data view, focus on the layout. Check whether columns are split as expected. Look at header rows and confirm that the titles appear in the right place. If the data looks misaligned, this is your chance to correct it within the Transform interface before anything is loaded into Excel. Take your time here, because making the adjustments now leads to a cleaner Excel worksheet later. When you have the table looking right, you are ready to bring it into your workbook. Click Close and Load. This option closes the Power Query editing experience and loads the transformed table into Excel. Depending on your settings, Excel may load it as a worksheet table or as an output preview. Either way, the main goal is that the data now appears in an editable Excel format. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.